Right guys, we're here at an undisclosed location. It's a very, very private location, so I'm not going to film round about me. I didn't want you guys to know where it is. The guy's very private and it is his business. So we're here picking up another car. We've literally just had to haul ass and make it a roller again because the recovery truck actually turned up early. Car's being loaded on just now. Stay tuned, this is an awesome little buy. It's going to be a great little project, so we'll see when we get back to the unit. So we're back at the unit. Yesterday was a mission, wasn't it, Charlie? We had to go out there, make this car mobile again, and then get it back to the unit on a recovery truck. But
it wasn't the easiest.
We've started a new trend, and what we're doing is every single car we get for Copart, we're keeping the Copart sticker up here. And
we'll have a list.
We'll have a whole wall with Copart cars. And as you can see, we've just put up our third one. So, the top one was the Qashqai, second one down was the Seat Ibiza, and then we've got a third one. But we never actually bought this one for Copart. It came for Copart, that never ever got repaired, and then we bought it. So, let's go and show you it. Right guys, here we go. It's a 2009 Ford Fiesta. I think it's a style model. Obviously you can see it came for Copart. It's had a bit of a front end damage. This car was completely stripped. Everything was off it. Suspension was off, subframe was off. We had to go out yesterday. We had to go out yesterday and make it mobile again, didn't we? So the recovery truck could pick it up.
This dash has all been stripped out because the airbags went on it. Yeah,
dash and everything's all been stripped. Now, the guys that bought this for Copart, due to unforeseen circumstances, can't finish the project, so we've bought it. It's got all the parts to fix it. All the parts are in colour as well, but looking at the bumper I think it might need a wee bit of a touch up,
yeah, it's a bit twisted and there's a bit of a push on it.
Yeah, it needs a bit of heat,
yeah,
just to straighten it back out again. But the great thing about this car, so clean. It looks really good. It's dusty, but it looks really good, and the reason for that is it's only got 30,000 miles on it. Now, we've obviously took a bit of a risk because it's stripped. We've never heard it running. We've got 2 keys, which is rare for a Copart car. It's got all the new dash, airbags, everything's there. This was recorded as a Category S because, similar to the Fiat 500s, this wing bracket is welded to this stay. So you need to drill the spot welds out to repair this. So again, it's a Category S, but as you can see, A-pillar is perfect. Everything in there is perfect. Chassis legs are perfect. The core support hasn't even been touched. Now, that's the original core support. We've got the new core support in there because the guy bought a full front end for it. Yeah. So there is another core support in there. There's a few other bits and bobs. There's another radiator. We've got all the stuff we need to put this car back together. So first thing we want to do, obviously we went through some of the parts yesterday when we packed it up, but there is a load of stuff packed into the car, and there's
got more.
Yeah,
there's all the interior bits sitting inside the Merc, but the Merc's not here now.
Yeah, but there's a couple of bits missing. We're missing a headlight, we're missing the steering wheel airbag, but we've been assured they're in the boot.
We've not been able to open the boot because the battery's deep.
Yeah.
So we've got the jump pack on charge now.
Yeah.
See if we can get it open.
So I think we should get this emptied out, make sure we've got everything we need, see if we can get some power onto the battery and get this boot open.
It smells terrible.
It's been lying for a while. It needs a real good clean. As you can see guys, we've got it emptied. We've got a new front bumper in colour, but I don't know if it's just been stored the way it was stored at the unit we got it from. There is a few marks and scuffs on it, so hopefully we can polish most of it out. I mean, it's not going to be a super expensive car, it's going to be mega cheap for somebody. Interior's all here, steering wheel's here. However, One thing I've no found yet is the steering wheel airbag, but the guy assured me he did get one, so we're going to have a wee look for that. I've got the new dashboard here. Obviously it needs a real good clean. The interior, you can see it's been lying for a while. It's a bit mossy. Move this out the way. Charlie started just putting some stuff back in the boot. We've got a wheel trim, the other one's smashed, so I need to try and find one of them. Got the washer bottle. This is a great opportunity to give the inside a good clean while it's in this state. So we can get the carpet all done.
I don't know if it's just us, but every Fiesta we've worked on has got stuff growing out of the carpet.
Is this one growing as well?
Yeah, look at it. Alright, don't get too close, you put the viewers off.
Seen better days. It's just been lying for so long. It just needs a really good clean. Like I said, when we turned up to this, the whole thing was up on axle stands. It had no uprights on it, no wheels. So as you the brake pipe's still clamped off with a pair of vice grips. I've put a new strut on there, but it has got a broken spring. I've got the other one in there with a new spring on it. The drive shaft is currently cut in half, and all the anti-roll bars. The anti-roll bar isn't even attached, it's just on there, it's just loose. We literally done the bare minimum to make this mobile to get it on the recovery truck, didn't we?
Yeah, because the guy was busy and he needed it. He needed us out the way.
Yeah, he wanted it gone as soon as possible.
So we tried to do it as fast as we could. Delivery guy gave us a wee hand to get that wheel on, and then we were gone.
He's a really good recovery driver as well, by the way. I'll leave a link in the description for him as well. His prices are really good. He's got a decent sized truck, so he can carry everything. He can carry transit vans, the lot. So he's based over in the Edinburgh side. I think he's in the border somewhere, isn't he?
Yeah.
So I'll leave a link, his phone number and everything down there. If you need a vehicle recovered, give him a shout. Guy's really good, quick turnaround, and he'll always give you a hand. So what's the plan for this today then? I don't think...
Well, we can't really do anything with the front end at the moment because we're busy doing other mechanical stuff.
Well, I've got a timing belt today on that.
So while you can do that, I'll probably hoover the carpet, get that done. Yep. Give the seats a clean while they're out, because look, the seat rails covered in pubes.
Are you sure they're pubes? Are you sure they're not just...
So I'll get the jet wash out, I'll give them a jet wash, get them clean. Yeah. And they also need a machine polish.
Just watch the plugs. Look, it's got a burn on it.
Yeah. And this wheel, it's not in the best condition.
That just needs a clean up.
I don't know, I was looking at it. It looks like the material's worn away. Yeah.
It's maybe had a steering wheel cover or something on it.
We'll clean the puby seats.
It's supposed to be a 30,000 mile car, so
yeah,
it shouldn't be worn away. Unless that's a second-hand steering wheel that they've picked up. It shouldn't be worn away like that.
Nah.
That seat.
We'll turn it on in the dash.
Do you know what? There's loads of these. There's loads of these down at Burnham's. Maybe we could get...
Have we done a vehicle check on it yet? Core vertical.
I'm only joking, guys. We won't be doing any car vertical adverts on this channel, will we, Charlie?
No. Same with Corsas. We're not going to touch a Corsa.
No Corsas, no car vertical.
Yeah, keep you guys happy.
Definitely. Keep us happy as well.
Yeah. Right, so I've drill brushed the seats now, and they are looking way better now. They're no longer mouldy, they're no longer all crummy. I've brought them inside because it's gotten overcast again and it's starting to spit. The next job I'm going to do is hoover out the interior, because it's all crummy, it's all mouldy as well, just like the seats. So I'll let these seats dry, hopefully the sun comes back out, because it was boiling literally 5 seconds ago. I'm loaded up on sun cream so I don't burn. But yeah, Dad's went away now. He's away doing businessy stuff. I'm going to do the interior. I'm going to see if I can clean the mould off this dash before we fit it, because it's pretty rank, and I'll also give the back seats a wee wash. So I've got the hoover plugged in now. I'm going to go and just shred straight into this carpet. Hopefully I can get it looking brand new, and also I can get it smelling a bit better, because right now sitting in here it's like somebody's shoved mouldy fruit up my nose. It's not good. I can feel the acidicness in my mouth. It's not very nice. I'll get this tidied and hopefully it looks like a brand new carpet. Right, I'm pretty sure I saw Chris Fix do this in one of his videos and he got millions of views. So here's the 50-50. That's that side. It's the side I've just done. It literally took me, I'd say it took me less than 15 minutes to do that, but it's really no hard. And yeah, hopefully I get millions of views for doing my 50-50. Right, so I finished hoovering the carpet in the interior, and I did throw the sheets back in so they can dry in the sun. And for I'd say half an hour's work, excluding cleaning the sheets were probably an extra 20 minutes, but for altogether an hour's work, see what it was. I've not done the back sheet yet, but the carpet's looking great, the sheets are looking great. For an hour's work, I don't think that's too bad. I don't know if I should do the rest of the interior. I mean, I've got plenty of time while Dad's doing the timing belt on the A1. It's hot, that's the only issue. And I'm sweating. So, right. I think I'm going to do the door cards. I'll give them a quick drill brush. I'm not going to do everything properly, but I'll give the dash a wipe, get all the mould off. I'll give the steering wheel another wipe, and I'll do these door cards. And I think I might give the outside a bit of a quick clean. Right, there we go. I've finished the interior. You just saw me dress the dash. I used this Infinity Wax Finale and it's so good, man. It gives it a nice finish, it smells nice. Code home built on Infinity Wax and you get yourself a nice little bit of discount, and it helps us out as well. Now, the interior's done. I've done the door cards, I did the windows, and it actually looks really good. The only weird thing about it is that it's missing the dash in the centre console, but as you can see, I think it looks pretty new. Now, the last thing I'm going to do today, because this time is getting on and I need to edit this video for tonight, is give the outside of the car a quick wash. Now, as it's the same with every Copart car, they go lying about and they get all mucky in the shields, and yeah, I'm just going to get all of that off. I'm going to put some pre-cleaner on it. I'm not even going to move the car. I'm going to put some pre-cleaner on it. I'm going to agitate it with a brush, power wash it off, snow foam, quick wipe, and that'll be done for today. Dad's almost done with this A1, it's looking good, and hopefully we'll get a nice early finish today and we'll get to go home around 7 o'clock. And yeah, I'll probably throw these up on time lapse just one more time, because you know, it's Dad's busy, I'm busy. I can't really film cinematics, but right, so I'm gonna get the car cleaned. You guys sit back, relax and enjoy. Hopefully you're enjoying this video. If you are, hit the like button and subscribe. there we go. I've gave the Fiesta a wash. It's looking so much better now. It's no longer all mouldy. The interior is all clean now, and that's no longer mouldy. There's no pubes everywhere. Now, the only thing left to do to this car is bolt on the new wing, the new headlight, the new bumper, and do the dash. And it needs a machine polish badly, because there's zero beading on it. The water sticks to it like glue, and I don't know if you can hear that, but the roof sounds like sandpaper. So, machine polish, front end, airbag. I think it needs a couple of seat belts, but for this Fiesta, it should be a pretty easy, quick job. Now, Dad's got the A1 still in the garage, so he's going to finish that up. While he's doing that, I'm going to go edit this video upstairs. The phone's about to die, so I need to get it on charge. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. We've got another Copart car. Hopefully, you know, we move up to doing Bentley Continentals and Porsches just like Matt Armstrong and all that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, put a comment, tell us what we can do next, and also thanks to everyone who's donated so far to the GoFundMes and to the raffles. It really is helping, and if you haven't already, the links will be in the description if you want. You can donate to the blind veterans, and you can donate to Cancer Research UK, and also there's a GoFundMe to help me and Dad with the cost of going to Gibraltar and back in the Micra. So if you guys are interested, check out the links. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, have a good day. We'll see you next time.